Hi.
Hi.
I'm here to see Mr. Kaufman.
Mr. Barnes?
And you can only be Stephanie.
Yes.
It's so good to meet you.
Likewise. Mr. Kaufman is ready for you.
Excellent.
Go ahead and just follow me. We were expecting Mr. Eastwood +4.
Oh, well, the tall one is en route. You'll hear him drop in, cowboys and helicopters. He probably buzzed the building.
Are you expecting rain, Mr. Barnes?
Well, you never can tell, Stephanie. Thank you.
Please step in. Mr. Barnes is here. His associates are on their way.
Mr. Barnes, thank you, Stephanie. Please show the gentlemen in when they arrive.
Mr. Kaufman?
So nice to meet you.
Likewise, why? And thank you for taking us such short notice.
My pleasure.
Look at this view. And this is, think outside the box.
You know it.
I live by it.
Hi, we have an appointment with Mr. Kaufman.
Yes, they're expecting you. Please step in.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, what took you so long? Mr. Kaufman's just in the restroom. He should be out in a minute. That chopper turn up yet?
No, not yet.
No? Okay. Well, make yourself at home.
Warhol?
No, that's a 9-dot puzzle. And the trick is you got to join all 9 dots together using only 4 lines. Never take your pen off the page. You gentlemen like something to drink?
Coffee would be great.
Sir?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, I think I got it.